looking for something.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's a very random time to start a vlog. It's currently 19:08. I am with Annie's son. I'm glammed up because we are headed out. Not the most random of decisions, but it's been raining a little bit in Dar es Salaam and we're still making the most of it. Well, the plan was going out for sundowners, then dinner and calling it a night, but technically we missed the sundowners about 2 hours ago. So we are headed out for drinks and dinner, and there are two options. He knew of one option, obviously. We were to go for a movie, so the option is either going out for a movie or going to some musical thing. Could be samaki. You feeling anything else? You wanna go to samaki today? I'm willing. We'll go this one time for either movies or going to the club. Yeah, I feel really old saying I'm going to the club, but that's the plan. I just wanted to touch in, say a quick hi, start this video, and then let me show you guys my quick outfit of the day. I actually really like it. I need you. So that's, oh, actually this is a good angle. Outfit of the day: some jumpers, a spandex biker shorts. Babe says they give me thigh gap. And some sneakers. And then, oh, okay. And then there's that. And then face glammed. Ready?
Yep.
I think I'm ready.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay.
Boom. Oh, this is a glorious view. Oh, I bet she's gonna tell me photo is a picture. Oh, you got it. I was really worried I was pulling it out of my ass. It's Friday. Hey.
Yeah.
It's Friday then. It's Saturday, Sunday. What? It's Friday then. Go. You got to know the way to hold up. The way to hold up. The way to walk away. The way to love. You never come to mind.
Really?
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken
Just driving like slow because you're afraid they're gonna run into you.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hello, it's currently midnight. We are back at home and I just want to drop in real quick, say a good night. I had a fantabulous time, and also here's a record of a very tipsy Kymmiee. Do not drink and drive. Do not drink if you're underage. Drinking is suitable for 18 and above, maybe 43, depending if they can handle their liquor. We're home. Hi, beautiful people. You come on. Good night. Where's my phone, baby?
Maybe that's your butt.
Dang it. Swimming. We're going swimming. Let's go. People are swimming. Who swims at the midnight? Let's go see. We're going to baby. People are swimming.
Alright, go read your phone.
Alright. It's fine. I'll pick it in the morning. Let's just go. Oh, we are blown. Hey guys, good morning and happy Saturday. From a very, very less hangover Kymmiee and a very, very hangover Annie's son. How are you doing, baby? Hangover. Alright, it's Kymmiee and the zombie for the day. We are headed out for brunch. I need meat I don't know what kind of meat I need. I just need meat. Not the kind of meat. The other kind of meat.
Had that.
I already had that kind of meat. I need like something. What I'm craving is something like cheesy mixed with bacon and avocado and salt and pepper, and then wrapped in like a potato. Where can you get that?
The butcher shop and buy bagels, bacon, and then eggs, and then come back and I'll make you exactly what you want. Exactly what you're craving. Or you still want to go to dinner? I can make you eggs, bacon, cheese, and then we get bagels, and that can go all with that. We can make like some eggy thing with cheese in it.
Oh, coffee. Frozen coffee.
2.
Thank you. That's what I want. That's what I wanted. Welcome to a very rainy Saturday. Honey's son is on coffee duty. He's a little way excited. And remember when I told you guys we were supposed to have coffee because it's... Yeah, he's still doing it. Honey's son is gonna be on breakfast duty per usual. And let's see what he is gonna throw down. Scrambled egg with cheese. Grilled or not grilled?
And the tomato in the scrambled eggs,
Okay.
and then bacon,
Bacon.
and then garlic bread.
Garlic butter bread.
Yeah,
And cheese.
and cheese.
Melted on the bread.
Oh, okay.
Perfect. Love it.
Oh, the filming. You got the whole thing. You can just mixing it up. Let's see this cheese.
It's fried bread. Oh, that was good. Here's proof that I helped. Thank you. Breakfast is served. We have garlic bread, pesto, cheese, perfectly fried bacon, some arugula, and some cheesy mushroom, tomato, onion, garlic, eggs combination. So that's breakfast. Black coffee and some rosé in the house because it's brunch o'clock somewhere in the world. It's not here, but somewhere.
You two did.
Oh God.
Yeah, no, it's insane. It's insanely good meal. No.
It is so freaking good. It's so good. Food orgasm. It's a thing. Sorry, let me see. In my belly, I murdered that. Hey, we are going upstairs for a much needed movie date picnic situation. Got my rosé with me. We are going to watch a movie that I forgot the name. Hannah, what's the name? A Girl's Broken Promise. A Promising Girl.
Promising young woman.
Girl. So the movie is called A Promising Young Woman. We're going to watch it upstairs in the terrace with rain. Excited? I hope the beds are not wet though. They might have removed the blankets. Anyways, come with us for a movie date. It's also very slippery. It's drizzling over here. Let me show you the quick view real quick. Is where we are going. We are trying to set a pouch over there in that love bed. So as you can see, it's raining over there. We wanted to sit right between, actually we love sitting on this love couch over here, but it's raining, and up here there's an iron sheet that will cover us from the rain. So we're gonna move the chairs to here and have the movie set up around here. Let's do this.
It's a winding road, no telling where it goes.
That's the movie
Driving through days
setup.
and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes.
And this is our movie setup. Very creative, babe. Thank you. I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Come on, get in here.
You've told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best.
We're going for an ice cream stop, and then he's in a hurry.
Yeah.
And then I need to go and do my hair. The movie date was interesting. No, it was great. I had a great time. I really did have a great time. Did you have a great time?
Yeah. It was an odd movie.
It didn't go the way I thought it was gonna go.
Yeah.
But the ending was great.
Yes.
We couldn't predict that.
No, didn't predict that.
Yeah. But it was a great movie. Today has been a great day. We are at Shoppers Mikocheni. Boom, 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 boom. No, this is Shoppers Masaki. Gonna get ice cream. Hey guys, good morning, welcome back to the channel. Yesterday I did talk to you guys. I was telling you I was supposed to go to the salon, get my hair undone, and then I wanted to do some natural hair moment, but then the rains came in between and they closed a bit early. So today is the beginning of a new month. So every new month I do my self-care at a whole new level. So I do the whole thing. I wax, I do my nails, I do my hair, I do facial, the whole thing. So today I did my wax in the morning. You guys might have seen a snippet of that. I had an appointment for 8 o'clock, and then I was also supposed to go to the salon to do my nails. The weather isn't the greatest, and also I'm feeling a little too lazy. I didn't sleep so much from last night. I ended up scheduling a home visit, so I'll be doing my pedicure, I'll be getting my toenails redone, I'll be doing my manicure and also refilling my nails and getting everything pretty and pumped out. About my hair, I think I missed that appointment, so we'll see. If the salon opens up and I have a slot, I will go, but I'm not too certain that will happen. So that's the plan of the day. I just wanted to jump in, give this vlog an introduction and a starting point. So yeah. Oh, I did say the reason that I was up late is I've been editing and highlighting my Instagram highlights and changing the covers. It used to look like this and now it looks like this. I love it so much, and if you guys want to see a lot of that more, head over to my Instagram and you have a whole look on how my revamping is going.
A couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close. I just need you to know that I want you close, closer than before. I know that we've been through a lot, now we're hiding in the crowd. I'll be whatever you want me to be, you know I'm on your side. And I feel like I'm running in circles around. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close, closer than before. And no one knows that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close, closer than before. Closer than before. Closer than before. Hiding all my feelings, broken from the start. Wish you never leave me. Am I going too far? But I want you close, closer than before. But I want you close, closer than before. And no one knows that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close.
did not even flinch. Like, this is no longer weird for you. Camel toe. You look at my camel toe.
No, see, you have a gap. That's what I was looking at. Okay.